Okay, to enable voice access on the Galaxy M34 5G, first open the settings, then scroll down, open accessibility, now go into the installed apps and go to the voice access. Now you have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher, click allow, and from here, if you want to start it, I can recommend you to go to the settings and view the voice access comments. So here you can find the list of all comments that you can actually use. So it's really useful because you will know right now how you can navigate and what exactly you can do with the voice access. And now when I want to, for example, open the photos, I have to click on this icon, open photos, memories, go to the library, and as you can see, that's how it works. Each time you say something, it will be actually highlighted right here. It will be shown on this preview, so you know what phone is actually hearing, and you can actually see if you say it correctly or you have to say it one more time. So that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.